Nizim Africa sanibonani dumela ngabusheni and hello. This is Dr. Oti Kihlela Makhehla nyanga enkulu yase Nizim Africa. Dumela sawubona abusheni and hello. Bakwethu ngubulisa kwimanje ngikuma Dark Studios endaweni yase 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Mamela ngwanesu. Ngikhona endaweni yase Rustenburg. Rustenburg ngikhona every Tuesday, every Wednesday. I repeat. Ngikhona Rustenburg for now every Tuesday and every Wednesday. In Rustenburg, I have an office number 146, President Mbeki Driver, Unit 5, Fashion Walk Buildings. Uzobona uma uyazi noma ungayazi indawo ngathi i-mall, or a small shopping complex. That's where I am, in Rustenburg CBD. Mamela ngwanesu, ngibona molinteng ubuli ukhuluma nenyanga, ukhuluma nomuntu ukuthi umela lapho indabuko, awukhulumi nomuntu ukuthi yana indaba zakhe akazazi. Indaba zami ngizazi kahle. Unkutlo rekere wena. Mina ngikwazi ukupretenda into ngikhuluma njengoba injalo. Uzikwazi ukuthi ingene kuwena. Namhlanje wana talk to people if which but Dr. Oti watsiba nina ngiphila ka gambling. Mina ngiphila ngegambling, mina ngidla ngegambling, mina ngilala ngegambling. Yonke into yami nje igambling. Bakwethu sinento ekuthiwa igambling perfume power 2. I-gambling perfume power 2 uma iza kuwena iza ithakiwe inempande zakhona nayo yonke into. Le gambling perfume power 2 njengoba nje into yokusifaka amayeza. La mayeza ofaya ngaphakathi iwona ukwazi ukusize ukuze uwine kuma gambling games wakho ngemali njengange 2500 rand. I-gambling perfume yakho iyakusiza into zakho zenzeke ukude useduze ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuthumele yona. Kube kuyikuthi ngikhume nawe umuntu ukuthi akibili motoring mina ku gambling ngiyayenza nje. Ngikuma nomuntu ukuthi mkhulu oti mina ngifuna i-gambling kube i-source of life yami, kube i-source of income yami. Hobani ke khathetse ku sebenza, ke khathetse ku tunusa makuleng, ibe salentse ke tunuse makuleng, ibe salentse ke tunuse makuleng, ke tunusa ke be kutlo jo mona ke sa khona makuleng. Mamela ngwaneso, sinesigupu. Lesigupu lesi isigupu se gambling. Lana sikhuluma ngesigupu semali engange 10,000 rand. Uma umuntu ukuthi uyagembula udinga isigupu se gambling, lesigupu sibiza imali engange 10,000 rand. Uyafika la ekhaya kwawuthi sikusize noma ufike endaweni yase Rustenburg sikusize. Batla mamelo rekere wena noma ufone siposele impande yakho yonke into ekwazi ukuthi ibe right. Then again, we have seriously something strong and something new ezokusebenzela. I told you about Ingulube oil for money. Ingulube oil for money. Usikebitsa ka sekgwa itsa go ngulube ka sekgwa ba mpe man pig. Wasa gore pig. Gara ke tsebe bua ka ntwe nyontshang e mahlatsa e nkgang e jwang. Ingulube oil for money. Ingulube oil for money ibizi imali engange 2,000 rand. You apply it on your hands, then afterwards you go and gamble. You apply it on your hands, then you go and gamble. Umuhamba uya kuma casino games uya kuphi, please use it only 3 times per week. Don't use it more than 3 times per week. Dr. Oti, why izinto zakho ungaziyuzi for 7 days? But angikudekere wena. Izinto zami ngiziyuzi for 7 days ngoba umuthi once wakujwayela awusakusebenzeli. Muriana once wawuxwayela awusawusebenza. Khumbula, by the time usangena ku relationship kade kubiza ngo baba ntati how ntati la ulwana la ulojwang how ntati mkuke how ntati hona nje siyakuhlabanya igama sipho ngikhathele hayi ngikhathele hobani use awuxwayitsi. Once umuntu wakho akujwayela akusafani nakudala. Umuthi is something like that. Umuthi into yokuthi akumelanga ukuthi uyisebenzise today, tomorrow, na that day. Yesterday, last week, whenever. Umuthi 3 times per week, you live your normal life, you go again. 3 times per week, you live your normal life. If ngemanga mafuthe ngulube umukhipha imali engange 2,000 rand, then when per week, let's say when's 30 or 40,000, hayi bakwethu. Lokho thawupilwe mpi. Utlamitse ukuru amoyele. 40,000 unotla irutwa ke manga. Kunabantu ekuthina sayenza abantu. Sinabantu nesabathola bangayazi ngisho nemali engange 20,000. Today they are driving cars because of what? Because of imithi yala ekhaya, because of impande zala ekhaya. So now be part of this. Be part of this thing yokuthi ngisiza. Be part of this. I don't know how can I put this. Be part of this. I don't know whether this spiritual what or ini umkhulu ayiranayo, but iba ipart yalento kuze impilo yakho become a better something. Otherwise you'll always remain a slave. As long as you are working, you are a slave. As long as sebenzela umuntu, you are a slave. Ngoba you tend to do things of which awufuna ukuzenza. Awungikutorikere. Uma usebenza, how lemsebenzini, especially when you are in a retail store, they'll tell you ukuthi hamba clean amathili, but wena uqashela ushaya ithili. Awuqashanga ukuthi uclean amathili. Ushaya ithili ngapha, uclean amathili, uma uqeda futhi ujike futhi upakishe back shopping. But ubungaqashanga for lokho. I-back shopping yakho, uclean ithili yakho, nini bathi korobha la kungqolile. That's part of being a slave. Mina ngiyasebenzela, you are a slave. I understand. Wena nje wayemodernize kuri uyetsa rebeli cream, uyefa cream unikeza cream yase Shoprite. Wena sala wena, you are a slave. Sometimes abantu balele when uyasebenza. Is that working? Mina ngiyemsebenza ngiye night shift. Uya night shift. Usuza night shift. Is that working or being a slave? But ba Roberts kina kotsa ba loyi ba loy wena kana kotsa ba loyi utswile. That's why phelo ba bosenyeletse. La ba loyi ba fufa ba fita wena o butsi mahla o tlamitse bo Roberts. What's Syrian? So these are things of which zenzakala bakwethu. Manje ngila kule ndaba le. Uma umuntu othi Dr. uthi mina ngifuna into yemali bakwethu, I'm introducing to you amafutha engulube. I've been saying to you amafutha engulube are powerful. Are powerful to an extent that you won't even believe. Listen to me very carefully. Endaweni zasecasino kunempande ebayifakayo ukuze ukwazi ukuthi la mshini ungayiwini. But ingulube mungena ngayo izobuyela yonke le mithi le ngoba ingulube ayihlangani nemithi. Le ngulube le izakwena ithakiwe ihlanganiswe yonke ifika kwena. Uma kunabantu amaslamus abayenza amaslamus bakhipha imali zamaslamus bayenza in thatha lamafutha engulube. After taking lamafutha engulube aqobisa umzimba wakho wonke uye lapha bayoqosha obani batho ubona lento bayenza ngayo la uzoyibona einkonzweni zabantu abathwele abayifuna ingulube. Ngiyotshela ukuthi mudla ingulube ongangeni la ngoba they know ukuthi mungena ngalento yengulube uxobula umsebenzi wabona. So mamela ngwaneso ngibuya lwena kanti serious. Uma umuntu odinga imali ngifonela ungithinte sikwazi ukwenzela into yakho na uphakame ube umuntu phakathi kwabantu. Sikhona endaweni yase Rustenburg, office number 146, unit 5, President Mbeki Drive, endaweni yase Fashion Walk Buildings, Rustenburg CBD. Sibe nendawo eGoli, endaweni ethule enhle, indawo yakho na umungena you can feel ukuthi la I can't do phela bakabutlotshintsha. Uyafika eMondio 180 Enem Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Kube ukuthi ke siyakusiza sikulungisela impilo yakho yonke into ikwazi ukuthi ibe right. Let's say umuntu othi Dr. uthi mina nginenkinga. Nansi indoda yabo yangifebela. Nansi indoda yabo isifebe kakhulu. Monna ka ufeba febele ka skatane. Waza le monna ile ngore a utle ba re mosadi wa kula. Mara ka hore kello ya hae ke tsika bokatana ke sekatana sa monna ka rakelello o rata bokatana kore ke monna sekatana se fitelletseng wa yona mo wa iloja uzothwa motho hey uyakula athi ngifuna ukuzwa na uyogulisa ufuna ukuzwa na utlokula uyogulisa sekatana sa monna. So if ukhathetse unendoda yesilima hakise uri kinsikatana kaZulu indoda eyislime esilimele sithotho, you need ukuthi uzongibona, just come uzongibona. Ngizokunikeza ihlambo lamadoda noma ihlambo labafazi libiza imali engange 2000 rand kuphela. Lempande ugeza ngayo, uma ugeza ngayo ubiza igama lakhe, ubiza igama lakhe iyamvala hakhona ufeba. Ungamfeba de uthanda ngakhona namufuni ngoba yona iyamvala. Ihlambo lamadoda nabafazi, ihlambo lamadoda nabafazi libiza imali engange 2000 rand kuphela. Uyageza ngalempande umfazi become yours and only yours. Sibe nempande futhi yokubuyisa amadoda ahambile nabafazi abahambile. Lapho ke sebenzisa amanzi wasolwandle nomqhamo wakho. Le mpanda uyiphephethi, le mpanda ugezi ngayo. Ngikunikeza ibhodlela ingaka, uyalivula, uqhamela ngaphakathi, uyaqhama la bese ufaka umqhamo wakho la, ufaka amanzi wasolwandle, ufake le mpande la, then ufake inaliti. Uthi ngifuna ngikhumbule. Njengoba le naliti le ngiyihlaba kule mpande, azubuhlungu kangaka ngikhumbule, bese uyayivala. Then you put it under your bed. Mamele ke wena. Utlo khutla amatha kungathi kunento emshayile. Egijima eza kwena and esoze aphinde futhi ahambe. Uma eqeda ukubuya le yanto le yayikhipha uyayigubhela samo uyayivala. Hasa khona la tsamaya. Bufebe ba hayi bobutlaza kello nya hayi. Yinto ke leyo engisiza abantu ngayo, abantu abafebayo. Umamela lapho ke wena ngwaniso. Sibe nomuthi. Umuthi ukuthi ke manje sithi kuwena umuthi lona wokubamba imali. Umuthi wokubamba imali sithi kuwena bamba imali ngenkani kulonyaka. Bamba imali ngenkani ngoba uyayidinga imali. Sinomuthi wokubamba imali obiza imali engange 2.5 kuphela. Lo muthi lokubamba imali uyafika la ekhaya kwaWoti noma ufike e146 President Bheki Drive, Fashion Walk Buildings, Unit 5 eRustenburg CBD. Siqaba ngalo muthi lo ngemali engange 2.5. Umuthi lo wokubamba imali kuze imali ikwazi ukuthi ihlale phezulu kwempilo yakho, ungaloku usogola, ungaloku wenzani. Le mpandami uma ngugqabe ngayo ungamangali, nanoma uhambe emall uthola isikhwama esigcwele imali, ingakuthusi ngoba le mali vele uzoyidobha vele, le mali vele uzoyithola ngoba impande yokubamba imali. Nanoma ugibela itaxi, umuntu yashiya iwallet la, ashiya iwallet aqeda kudrowa 20,000 rand, ayishila. Umuntu yayishiya iwallet iphethe 15,000 rand, umuntu yashiya amafoni, ashiya impahla, ashiya yonke into. Le mpande umthebulwa weyimali ezikhona around wena kodwa ngugqaba ngayo la ezandleni. Omunye umuntu ufika akhipha imali ebank ayifake la, as long as wena uyaround ithebula inhlanhla zabantu. Le mpande ngishana umuntu esebank ayikhipha imali ayibeke la, wena mufika nansi imali. Le mpande noma ngisho ukhipha imali ebank ikwazi nokukhipha imali emore. There is no need for you to become a criminal ubhome ama-banks. No, there's no need. Because kuneyimpande ezokwazi uzenza imihlola. All you need to do is to make sure that you inquire with my office. And mind you, whenever you are calling at my office, you'll get a lady by the name of Tato. You won't get me. I'm always busy, guys. I'm always busy. Ngiyahamba ngiyemamayini la nginama-security nyana khona, ngiyahamba ngiyakuphi la ngizamazama khona ukwakhela abantu izindlu, la ngithole khona construction nyana. So anye uzungithole efonini ufonile office lami, babamba amafoni, then they book a day for you, then uyafika la ekhaya ngiyakusiza ngikwenze into yakho yenzeke. Okay, my topic today ithi jumpa umlilo 3 times. Batlabana ngamkhokibile inkade ngihantle khona understand ngikwazi ukukhuluma into ezakalayo. Jumpa umlilo 3 times isiphakamiso. Jumpa umlilo 3 times isiphakamiso. Dr. Uti, what are you trying to imply by saying that? What are you trying to insinuate? Mamele kuwena ngwaniso. Jumpa umlilo 3 times. Lapho ke ngikhuluma nabantu abathi mkhulu uthi mina ngifuna into yemali, but ngifuna into engenabo ubungozi. You must remember uDr. Uti akathwalisi, nake mo prophet angithwalisi, ngiyaphakamisa nje kuphela. Njengoba ngiphakamisa nje kuphela, lapho ke ngisuke ngithi kuwena ngifuna uphila impilo yakho kamnandi, ungalokudla imali kabuhlungu. Yazi kunezinto ezithi ujachelete marweja abuhlungu ngoba ebusuku kunenono ebona yakuthusa. Nale khokho ibona nya uthusa, itswa mathi, idiso, iyankga, o tlametso ihlapise, o tlametso wetseng. Ba kwethu abantu abatshele bayidla imali. Abantu abatshele bayidla imali. But I want to tell you ukuthi ithwalo ezinye kunezinto ezinye diyanyela kahlungu, tlametso utlonto uloku uqoqa amasimba every day, uqoqa amasimba iyanya lento every day uyaqoqa njena iyanyela. Ungababoni bamba ngemoto enkulu uthi bathwele ba right, into sendithatha. Some of them muthatha nya dipirotong for the whole year empilweni yakhe akana ndoda. Le yanto le imlala every day. Nguma ngeyithwalo ezingozi. Yikhume ngabantu ukuthi some of them they have to kill abantu bomndeni each and every year 2-3 abantu tlamitse basho just for you to maintain lesi sithwalo lesi. Just for you to maintain lesi sithwalo lesi. You must make sure ukuthi kufa abantu abayi3 abayi4 in your family every year. So mokibuya le motho yikhuluma nomuntu la othi Dr. Uti mina ngifuna into eclean, into engenabo ubungozi. Phatha imali khehla engange 30,000 rand. 30,000 rand. Muphethe imali engange 30,000 rand, sihamba nawe siyehlane nawe. Uma sifike ehlane, you have to jump lo mlilo ka3. I repeat, angithi ufuna imali, ihlala ivutha njalo empilweni yakho. Ihlala ivutha njalo on your business. Ihlala ivutha njalo kuyo yonke indawo oyenzayo. You have to jump lo mlilo 3 times. Kuyakupha. Uma uzazi ukuthi ubutswa uyavilapha. Awunawo amandla, uyahluleka uskabadla. Because of you'll have to jump this fire. I will never jump that fire for you. You'll have to jump lo mlilo loyo in order for you to have money. In order for you to make money, to have money, you must make sure ukuthi uba umuntu ukuthi wena ngwakho ngaphakathi unalento igunya lokuthi ngifuna ukwenza imali. You must be really passionate ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza imali, I have to do money, I have to make money, I have to ukuthi nakanjani I have to make money. That thing must live in you ngaphakathi kwena. You can never say you want to have money, you want to make money, marobotswa ukhathetse fela kurunje matlalo fela uyalenga nje but ufuna imali. It won't work for you. Kumele sikuthathe sihambe senawe ehlane. Kumele ujumpe lo mlilo ka3 ole ma red ka3. Angeke ujumpe umlilo ugqokile kanje. Kumele ujumpe lo mlilo ole maponapona amasenda ngaphandle ujumpe umlilo. You can never jump that fire ugqokile. It is something that we will do for you in secrecy, secretly, moritlong uyateng nalo wena sikwenzele lento. Maqedwe kuyenza lento, uzojumpa lo mlilo ka3. Lo mlilo maqedwe lapho uzoqima. Hawufetsa utima mollo, le mpande sayithatha sifaka kuye emzimbeni. Kuzukwazi ukuthi yonke indawo la hamba khona, imali igijimise, imali igijimele, imali ihlale njalo iphakama. Otherwise, wena for the next 30 years, usamba noto ukupa chelete. Usamba noto mpitsa hotman mfana. Wena, usazo mbizo hotman hoti all the time. Because of usina snogonoko. Mungena snogonoko, you will call your own peers oputi. Anjona mali. Ona marangiti. Ona tabaji. Ona umzorere. You will call your own peers. Ukuthi abo hotman, tawoti, puto mdala. Uzongibiza uputo mdala ngoba ona mali vese. Khohla khehla. Lento la ngizukuyifihla, lento futhi angizukuyisugar coater. I just have to tell you an honest truth. I'm calling you now, I'm inviting you now for this new ritual engibuye nayo eKariba. EKariba bezibuya akudlalwanga. Ngitravule ngambila ngeKariba ngabuya nempande zakho. Ukuye Zambia is not just a simple thing in minute. Ufika lapha yana uphethwe nyifatike serious, but I came with this all new stuff for you. Now, when I come and see me, utojumpa molonyele. Awona nchonke beka wetsa yona. Kuzube nemali. Utofika mo, light umlilo wakho, lempande ujumpa umlilo, sifaka lo mlilo aso light ngeenkuni per se. Kuba neenkuni, but lezi inkuni ngaphakathi zinempande yakho yemali. Siyawulight umlilo. Maqedwe light umlilo uzojumpa uthi 1 uthi 2 uthi 3 mubuya lapha yana imali yothi baba kwena shelte tlore papa wena imali izothi baba kwena but konke lokhu mukudinga the numbers appearing on the screen. Ngiyatholakala eRustenburg every Tuesday and Wednesday. Ngiyatholakala eGoli kuthiwa yini Monday, Thursday, Friday ngiyatholakala eGoli, Saturday. But in Rustenburg ngikhona only Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Ngifonela ungithinta ungithole ngikhona uthusa. Ngiyabonga.